students, how are you? I hope you are good and safe at home. I am history teacher from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School. So student, today we are going to learn new lesson. Lesson name is Baji Prabhu and the memorable battle of Ghor Hind. Okay, now open your book, page number 37. Okay, in this chapter there are 8 main points. Okay, but in this video we cover only 3 main points. Okay, first is Shivaji conquers Panhala, Adil Shah gets angry, and second one, the siege of Panhalgarh, and third is Shivaji escaped from the siege. Okay, and after main points we will continue in my next video. Okay, now we come to the first main point. Shivaji conquers Panhala, Adil Shah gets angry. Okay, okay, in this paragraph, in a Bijapur, in the morning, the death of Afzal Khan, and their completely army soldier was dead. So this message was when the Adil Shah here, so Adil Shah is very disturbed, and Shivaji at the time they captured the Panhala fort. Okay, so Adil Shah was very angry, and at the same time uh, he arranged some emergency meeting, and in that meeting they called some main important sardars. In sardars he gave the authority against to the Shivaji who Siddhi Johar. He was a very brave sardar in his Adil Shah court. So Siddhi Johar had a huge army with him, and Fazal Khan, who wanted to avenge his father's death, so he also accompanied him. So student, who is Fazal Khan? Fazal Khan is a son of Afzal Khan. Okay, so Fazal Khan also wanted to accompany with Siddhi Johar, and he was to avenge his father's death. Okay, so in this paragraph I explain it what are the happen. Okay, in first Shivaji conquers and why Adil Shah gets angry. Okay, understood? Now we come to the second main point, the siege of Panhalgarh. Okay, okay student, do you know the meaning of the siege? Siege, the meaning of siege means what? A situations in which a big army surround in a fort as a long period, and no one can enter in the fort, and no one can out from the fort. Okay, so that is the call siege. Okay, and other simple word meaning of siege is what? Very tight curfew. Okay, so the siege of Panhalgarh. Siddhi Johar was a brave, and we explain in the short his personality in this second paragraph. Siddhi Johar was a very brave soldier, brave sardar, and very ruthless person. He was a strict disciplinary. Okay, and he laid siege to Panhalgarh and confirmed Shivaji within the fort. Okay, the rainy season was approaching, and Shivaji thought that once the rains came, Siddhi Johar would lift the siege. What happened? The rainy season was approaching that time. So Shivaji was thought that when the rain came, so Siddhi Johar was left to the siege of Panhalgarh. But Siddhi Johar did nothing of kind. Okay, and that time the arrival of the monsoon tightened the siege. The curfew was very tight, and in the fort wearing out, Shivaji was fixed in a fort. Which fort? Panhala fort. Shivaji was totally fixed in a Panhala fort. After that, since he could not force Siddhi Johar to left the siege by an open battle. Okay, what happened when Shivaji was fixed in a fort? The situation is very tight. Siddhi Johar are totally strict curfew surrounding by Panhanalgarh. So Shivaji Maharaj thought that since that he could not force Siddhi Johar to lift the siege of Panhalgarh fort. See, he decided that to deceive Siddhi Johar by a clever ruse, he sent a message to the Siddhi Johar. Shivaji Maharaj sent the message to the Siddhi Johar that Siddhi Johar he was shortly surrendered. Okay, when the Siddhi Johar heard the message, he totally was very happy. Why happy? Because Siddhi troops already very tired about the long siege. Okay, he was very totally tired about the siege of Panhalgarh, and they were very pleased to hear that Shivaji was surrounded. Okay, Shivaji was agreed to surrender him. Okay, so that news he was very happy. After that, when they happy, they relax and they include in food, drink and music. Okay, understood in the second paragraph the siege of Panhalgarh, what happened in that? Okay, now we come to the third main point. Shivaji escaped from the siege. Okay, in that paragraph, Shivaji escaped from this siege means what? Shivaji was made a plan to foolish the Siddhi Johar. What they made plan? The plan made, and the name of the plan is what? What? Raj Dindi. The name of the plan is Raj Dindi. In the plan, he was, there are two main points. He was to live by the Rajindi. This other plan will be easily spotted by enemy's force and will be capture them. First is worst, he totally made one person like a Shivaji, and that person out of the Panhala fort. So this is the first main part plan, and second one is what? When that person out the Panhalgarh fort, then Shivaji go to the next route to the out of the Panhala fort. Okay, so first plan what? While the enemy celebrate. Okay, this other plan Q will easily spotted by the enemy's force and will be capture them. While enemies celebrate the capture of Shivaji, Shivaji will escape by the difficult rule. When the Siddhi Johar armies totally they keeping the watching the Panhala fort who are out from the fort. But when the one person come out, who is made the role? Made the role of person is Shiva Kashid. Shiva Kashid, he was a hairdresser in Shivaji service. He was a courageous and chivalrous person. Okay, when the Shiva Kaji came out of the Panhala fort, it was the night, dark and continuously raining heavily. Okay, and at that time some enemy soldiers were keeping watching. They captured the plan Q. They thought that they had catch the Shivaji and took the Siddhi camp. Okay, when the Siddhi Johar's army soldiers, when they catch the person of Kashi, they catch them. They thought that there is a Shivaji, but after some time, the plot of Shiva Kashi was exposed. Okay, the furious Siddhi killed him then, and the Shiva Kashiv sacrificed their whole life in the causes of Shivaji and Swaraj. Okay, when the Shiva Kashid was exposed in a Siddhi Johar camp, the peoples of the soldiers of Siddhi Johar, they exposed there is he was a fault person. He was not a Shivaji. So they exposed the Siddhi, Shiva Kashil sacrificed their own. Suddenly Siddhi was killed him, and Shiva Kashil lost of his life. Okay. After that, so when the Siddhi learned that Shivaji had given him the slip, he was lived with rage. Immediately he sent the big army to the Panhala fort, and Shivaji was now in really trouble. Okay. So with the greatest difficulty in and his men crossed the Gorkhan Kind. Okay. Children, do you understand the three main points? Okay. I hope you all are understood the three main points in this video. So students, stay healthy, take care, and please subscribe, like, and share our channel. Thank you.